Assalamu alaikum and hello. We thought we'd try this place out today. Looks like a nice place. Amia Family Hotel and Restaurant. Have a little look around. See what the staff are saying and what the food's saying. The place looks like it's sponsored by Coca-Cola and stuff, but I doubt it. Oh, thank you. Apa semua pakai Pukiji? Indah? Got all the curries going on there. Different one. You got the geezer here cutting the salad or cutting the carrot. Assalamu alaikum. You got this brother here making the fish. What are you doing? What's the jury?
Seekh kebab.
Seekh kebab is ready, huh? And that's all the different masalas for the fish. You got the other guys in the kitchen working over there. You got the butcher there doing the fresh cuts. And what he does is to cut your meat and then weigh it out for you. And then just cook for you what your order is. The fish goes in one of these grill things. Tamps it down. Wax it on the old angor. Proper experts, mashallah. And you have a little prayer room here if you want to read your moons and stuff. Loads of seating area. Loads and loads of little rooms and cupboards you can sit in and chill out. Okay, the salads come. You got tomatoes, a chili, cucumbers, a carrot. You got sirke, vinegar sirka. You got chutney. Here's the food just come as well. That's the fish. That's the rute. And that's the dalma. Jazakallah. You built Sprite, huh? And you got the five over there enjoying a free meal. You know it's like it. But anyway, we're going to eat this, alhamdulillah. We'll tell you how it tastes in the end. It looks delicious, mashallah. And this place is getting packed up. We've got a lot of staff here, so I'm thinking this place must be really full at night. Okay, bismillah. Moi khan sang ne uncle?
A1.
Shade. Design masada.
Amir Hotel.
Amir Hotel. Kum jagah hai?
So Abhay Ambar Entertainment.
Plus we're going to enjoy our food and we'll tell you how it's like at the end, inshallah.
Uncle, look for
Bro. We're going to try the dal. I'll let you know how it's like. Looks delicious. And it tastes perfect, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, we've had our meal. We ate all of it, alhamdulillah, and we're just waiting for the green tea now. And then we'll have that, and then we'll be on our little missions. And we hope you can join us on the next video, inshallah. And you should come visit here. Uncle told you where the address was. Mashallah, green tea just arrived. You can have it with sugar, or you can have it with butter. I'm going to try it with butter today. Our bill for today, including the green tea. Mashallah, we had a nice time. Uncle, you had a nice time?
Nice.
Jazakallah. Okay, we'll see you on the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.